Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our presentation. Our presentation topic is about the Aura system. So let me introduce my teammates first. Myself, Fatin Sadab Nibir, Firoz Ahmed, Mustafizur Rahman, and Himel and Mainuddin Mojumdar. So my part is about the project objective. So the goal is a identified platform to automate internal approach workflow and the reduce manual process error. What is the core purpose of our project objective? That is replace the manual process with an internal agent-based system that rotates request and triggers action automatically. Scope handles discover internal request and throw a consist and centralized life cycle visible to the both user and the management. What is the primary objective basically? Automation and the context awareness. In automation, execute routines task without human intervention and using the role-based logic, and context awareness adapt routing and the decision based on the department and the request specification. Thank you. That's all my part, and the next present will my next team member.
Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mustafizur Rahman. My ID is 1397. Today I discuss core feature. Functionality. The system is built around four main functional pillars. First of all, intelligent agent, a background service that monitors, trigger, execute rules such as auto assigning approvals or sending reminder. Workflow engine supports multiple step, parallel, and conditional approval chains in enforce sequence and business rules. Context-aware routing logic adapt to data. For example, high-value requests trigger extra approval step, or requests are routed differently based on the request department. Last of all, reporting and analytics offer on-demand dashboard and scheduled report. Example, average approval time with export option, PDF, Excel to identify both. Thank you, sir. This is my part, and my next team member take the lead.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Firoz Ahmed. The last four digit of my ID is 1396. And today my presentation part is user role. From the questionnaire to the client, we get some actors such as the employee, manager, admin, super admin, and one of the best feature is called the intelligent agent. And what they how they works. Actually, the customer provide the feedback and track the status, submit service request, and the employee. And basically, all of them except the intelligent agent has a login option, login register option. Then the initial workflow and update assign tasks, and manager can approve and reject requests, review analytics, and handle escalations. Admin manage users, configure workflow, monitor system health, and super admin system wide configuration, security controls, maintenance, and intelligent agent for making decision and suggestion. You have a question, might be a question that why we use admin and super admin. It's basically the client wants this system that uh, someone will be the admin, and one of the one of them or two or three will be the super admin, and that's why we use the super admin as a actor. And then we have the functional modules. Service request, actually the customer can provide uh, track status, and they can submit and track and receive notification. Access security, from the client, they want two-factor authentication, and that's why we add the authentication part and customer registration. Workflow, Workflow and task management. Actually, it will be the auto assign tasks and contexted array routine, analytics and administration. Reports, KPIs, and system monitoring can be analyzed by the admin and super admin. Thank you, everyone. That's all of my part. The next slide will continue Himel Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum sir. Myself Himil Rahman. Last four digit of my student ID is 1800. Today my presentation topic is technical architecture. Infrastructure. A web-based solution integrated with standard enterprise environment deployment. Hosted and standard servers using Linux Windows using a relational database for data storage. For client access, accessible via standard web browser and mobile devices uh, or dedicated for on-the-go approvals. External interfaces, notification, integrates with SMTP email servers and SMS gateways for alert and 2FA. Authentication, support internal users management or integration with corporate SSO directory services. Communication, all client server traffic is secured via TLS HTTPs. That's all for me. Now I want to invite my next teammate Mainuddin Mudumdar.
Assalamu alaikum sir. My name is Mohammad Mainuddin Mazumdar. My ID last four digit 1205. I would like to say something about non-functional requirements. Quality standard. The system is designed for high performance, security and reliability. Performance, response time, standard action complete within 2-3 seconds, complex report within 10 seconds. Scalability, support 100 plus concurrent user initially scalable to 200 plus by horizontal scaling. Security, authentication enforces a strong password and two-factor authentication for high privilege role. Audit trails logs all logins, configuration changes and approval action for compliance and trackability. Reliability target 99% uptime with fail-safe. Operations automatic rollback on error and regular backups. That's it. Thank you, sir.